My yeah, doing that homework was always the most important part to get me going to the next class, or even sitting and watching your videos, and then
Yeah,
I go back and watch the presentations. Then I
Mm.
go back and do again, check my homework. So
yeah,
that's where the learning has been.
Yeah, even I have felt that if I'm doing my homework regularly, last week I couldn't finish the last homework 27th, I think 28th one. But if you are doing it, then you feel connected, sort of, you don't feel
yeah,
disconnected.
absolutely. You take little challenge, put in little effort, and try to take it. Once first attempt, if you can't do it, never mind. Try again. That's not the end of it. One should not give it up.
I
And
forget
And
many things, the last previous ones and all. I forget, but when I listen to you, I feel
uh,
okay, like that.
again
But
and again listen and think it. You should remember what we have learned, connect it when you are doing daily course. You know, Kasmat, Hastat Patati, Kim Patati,
mm,
Asmat, Chashakaha Patati. Hmm?
mm,
So, like that, if you connect and you are into it, you
mm.
are in it. So it's not only Sunday morning we attend the class and forget it, only next Sunday we come and remember,
Mm.
and daily. If
This week it has happened like that to me. Whole week I couldn't, but usually I make it a point. I sit and do the homework and get it. I mean, feel when
yeah,
I'm there in like. But yeah,
Deep,
that's. But still,
Deepak Mahadia does it before the class even starts. In between the week is posted. Sometimes I try to think I should compete with him. Then I'm like, no, I don't have that energy.
Deepak Mahodaya is Uttamaha Chatraha Asti.
true, no,
Mahadia.
ma'am. Even I
Yeah,
find like that when he
yeah.
pronounces things
Lak-
and all, it is like
Lakshmi
I mean,
Mahoday, there is another Deepak in another Kaksha. So I think it is him who is doing that. So
It's not
anyways.
you, is it? So you get the reward then. That's good.
Yeah.
Bhavan api karoti Mahodaya. Bhavan api.
Yeah, we have to acknowledge, I mean,
Yeah.
give it, admire you, the pronunciations and all, as if you have learned Sanskrit, like that it appears. I mean,
And his
nice,
memories
nice
also. He
memories
directly
also.
tells us. We have to
Ah,
struggle.
that's true,
Namaste
that's
Goda
true.
Bagini, Swagatam. Goda Bagini. Yeah. प्रार्थनया आरम्भं कुर्मः लक्ष्मी महोदये प्रार्थना वदति वा
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः
इदानीं वयं कस्मात् एकवचने पठिष्यामः कस्मात् इत्युक्ते from where, something is coming from somewhere, like from mother the child gets milk, from our hands something falls, and from the trees flowers and leaves fall, like that. that is kasmat, and before that we will kasmai, chaturthi vibhakti, kasmai, to whom. Let us revise. That is, last week we saw गत सप्ताहे वयं दृष्टवन्तः पठितवन्तः कस्मै कस्मै ददामि बालकः बालकाय बालकेभ्यः एकवचने बहुवचने रामः रामाय रामेभ्यः भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकाय भिक्षुकेभ्यः and स्त्रीलिङ्गे बालिकायै बालिका अकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग बालिकायै बालिकाभ्यः अत्र पुल्लिङ्गे केभ्यः बालकेभ्यः स्त्रीलिङ्गे बालिकाभ्यः महिला महिलायै महिलाभ्यः जननी जनन्यै जननीभ्यः पार्वती पार्वत्यै पार्वतीभ्यः अनन्तरं कस्मै नपुंसकलिङ्गः पुल्लिङ्गवत् एव भवति यन्त्रं यन्त्राय यन्त्रेभ्यः क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणाय क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः मन्दिरं मन्दिराय मन्दिरेभ्यः इदानीं कस्मात् कस्मात् पुल्लिङ्गे एकवचने फलं वृक्षात् पतति फलं कस्मात् पतति फलं वृक्षात् पतति बालिका जनकात् सङ्गणं प्राप्नोति बालिका कस्मात् सङ्गणकं प्राप्नोति बालिका जनकात् सङ्गणकं प्राप्नोति भरतः रामात् पादुकान् स्वीकरोति भरतः कस्मात् पादुकान् स्वीकरोति भरतः रामात् पादुकान् स्वीकरोति वृक्षः वृक्षात् जनकः जनकात् रामः रामात् सर्वे अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः वृक्षः जनकः रामः वृक्षात् जनकात् रामात् इदानीम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः कस्मात् पुल्लिङ्गे अभ्यासः मालिनी महोदय आरम्भं करोति वा पूर्वं पठतु just read the three columns and then you can match so first you know what is given there
युवकः बालिका अहं भवती भिक्षुकः वयं रात्रि समये नेक्स्ट कॉलम जनकः धनिकः ग्रन्थः दण्डदीपः वैद्यः ग्रामः औषधं
सर्वे किम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः जनकः धनिकः ग्रन्थः दण्डदीपः वैद्यः ग्रामः you have to connect this also these are all akaranta pullinga shabdaha kalu then the karma padam kriya padam aushadam swikaroti patatu malini bagode
युवकः which one to match
read the last column once
औषधं स्वीकरोमि प्रकाशं प्राप्नुमः धनं याचति आगच्छति अभ्यासं करोति सङ्गणकं स्वीकरोतु युवकः which one to match सङ्गणकं स्वीकरोतु
okay that's okay युवकः कस्मात् सङ्गणकं स्वीकरोति कस्मात् सङ्गणकं स्वीकरोति
युवकः Janaka only, no ma'am. From father.
Janakaha is
Ha.
Pratama Vibhakti Akaranta Pullingaha. Now,
Ha.
Kasmat.
Janakaya.
Hmm?
Janaka is Pullinga.
So, how does it change?
Janakat.
Vrikshaha.
Ha.
Katham
Janaka.
Parivartanam Bhavati. Drishtavanta Kalu.
Janakat. Janakat. Janakaha, Janakat. Yuvakaha, Janakat, Sanganakam, Swikarotu.
Yes. No.
Actually,
No, you cannot
Bhaviji,
say.
that karotu
Swikarotu
come with
is
Bhavati
Lot.
is Swikarotu. Hamesha, always you remember, when lotu lakara comes, the person in front of you only you can command or request. Hello?
Okay.
So whenever in the third column, Karomi suggests that Asmad Shabda Uttama Purusha. Hello?
Correct.
Karomi. This is the clue. When we
Yuvak.
read the third Karomi and Karotu means Lotulakara. Lotulakara means there should be a second person in front of you. Madhyama
Bhavati.
Purusha
Bhavati.
Okay.
So Bhavati,
So
Bhavan, Tvam.
Yuvakaha, Janakat, Dhanam Yachati.
But Yachati also there is a word to suggest in the first column. Kaha Yachati, Bhikshu Kaha Yachati, Kalu?
Dhanika. Okay.
Bhikshu Kaha, Dhanika. These are all clues. Little we should connect and we should be little alert.
Yuvakaha Gramat Agachati.
Very good. Yuvakaha Gramat Agachati. Gramat Agachati.
Then Bhalika.
Lakshmi Magodaya Prayatanam Karot.
Balika. Balika Abhyasam Karoti, but I'm going to go back. Balika Grandhat Abhyasam Karoti. Oh, did you do that? Yeah, no. Balika Grandhat Abhyasam Karoti?
No. Balika. What is that?
Can you go
Strilinga?
back, ma'am?
No, Balika Granthat, correct, ma'am.
Correct
Okay.
only, no? Balika is the Strilinga.
Yeah. Balika Grandhat
Abhyasam Karoti.
Abhyasam Karoti. Correct. Now, you can try the next one also. Aham.
Aham, I can do the Karomi. Aushadham Swikaromi. Aham Vaidyat Aushadham Swikaromi.
So this is the clues we get. Okay. Now, Goda Begini Astiva? Goda Begini.
Bhavati the Janakat Sanganakam Swikarotu.
Samyak. Bhavati Janakat Sanganakam Swikarotu. So that is correct. Now another one. Bhikshukaha
Dhanikat Dhanam Yachati.
So Deepak Mahodaya, Bhavan Vadatu.
Only one is left now, easy
Yes.
for me. Vayam Ratri Samaye Dandadipat Prakasham Prapnumaha.
Prakasham Prapnumaha. Can you say in the same pattern some other your own sentences? Deepak Mahodaya, Bhavan Prayatanam Karotu.
Vanaraha Vrikshat fall down. What is this? Patati Patram vrikshat patati.
Samyak. Patram vrikshat patati. Bahuvachane padamaha
Patrani
chet
patanti.
vrikshat pushpani patanti.
Tanti. Yeah.
Hello. We
Yeah.
can try like that. We can make it simultaneously. That makes our learning little concrete. So, vrikshat pushpani patanti.
Pushpani Vrikshat Chinumaha. What was that? Chinoti is plucking, right?
Vrikshat pushpani chinumaha.
Chinotu.
Chinotu or
Chinotu
Chinumaha.
bhavati.
Aham
Chinumaha. We
Aham
are,
Chinumaha.
yeah. Aham chinomi.
Yeah,
Vayam
Aham Chinomi.
Yeah. Vayam chinumaha. So like that we can make sentence. Balika. Now we have not seen Strilinga, we will see. So aham kim swikaromi. Aham
Vaidyat Aushadham Swikaromi.
Vaidyat Aushadam Swikaromi. Apanikat Vastu Swikaromi. Aham Apanikaha Apanikat Vastu Swikaromi. Like that we can make. We try to. Yes.
One question, ma'am. If I use tvam mama griham agachatu, I can say.
Yeah, tvam mama
grihat.
griham agachatu.
No, mama grihat agachatu.
No, then mama grihat
Mama
from
grihat
your
gachantu.
house.
Tvam
Tvam mama
grihat
grihat gachatu.
Mama grihat gachatu. Okay.
From there
From
you separate. It is the point of separation. You know?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Vrikshat patati. It's the point of separation, right?
Got it.
Yeah.
Mama grihat.
Krishikaha gramat agachati. Krishikaha gramat agachati. So he has come from village. Janani mandirat graham prati agachati. Mother has returned from the temple. Mandirat.
Okay, Mandirat.
Mandiram napumsakalingaha. So mandirat agachati. Yuvakaha. Sorry.
Mantri Delhi Nagarat agachati.
Mantri
Delhi.
Sorry. Delhi
Mantri
Nagarat agachati. Mantrihi. Balika Grihat Vidyalayam gachati. Balakaha Kridanganat Griham agachati. Like that we can practice. Now
it reminds me of one shlokam. Suddenly I remembered I don't know if you remember, there was Adi Shankaracharya movie in Sanskritam years ago.
Yeah,
in that
I remember.
that one
GVIS.
shlokam is, I always remember the first line. I couldn't remember the second line. Akashat patitam toyam
Yata
sagaram
gachati sagaram
gachati.
sarvadeva namaskaram keshavam prati gachati.
Oh, I didn't know the second one. Okay.
yes.
The first line only I remembered always.
That
Akashat.
is,
Now it makes more sense.
yeah,
Yes.
Akashat. It's a beautiful line.
After
Akashat
chanting
toyam.
all the shlokas, this is chanted at the end.
Yeah.
Is it? Akashat patitam toyam
Whatever
sagaram
falls
prati
from top,
gachati.
that will go to sea, I mean, like
It
rain
will
and
go
all.
back
So
to
any
its origination.
namaskar will go to Keshava, like that.
Keshava, exactly.
So whatever in this loka, it all belongs to him because he happens to be Srishtikarta. Everything dissolves in him. Everything goes back to him. That's the tattvam of. Very good. Nice. So this kasmat, palam kasmat patati, palam vrikshat, the place from where it is separation, that is kasmat, vrikshat, balika kasmat sanganakam prapnoti, balika janakat sanganakam prapnoti, Bharataha kasmat padukan svikaroti, Bharataha ramat padukan svikaroti. Now, Strilinga Ekvachane. We have seen Pullinga, Akaranta Pullinga Ekvachane. Now we are going to see Strilinga Ekvachane Katham Bhavati. Lakshmi Baini Patitiva.
महोदय कस्मात् स्त्रीलिङ्गे एकवचने नलिकायाः जलम् आगच्छति. Water comes from the tap. So नलिकायाः जलम् आगच्छति. सखी महिलायाः छत्रं स्वीकरोति. Friend takes umbrella from the woman. Sakhi. Putri jananyaha kankanam prapnoti. The daughter obtains bangle from mother. Mahila nadyaha jalam anayati. The woman brings water from the river.
So, Nalikayaha jalam agachati. We have to pronounce, if we omit visarga, it will change the total vibhakti and meaning. Nalikaya, if we say, it will change. So, don't omit, be careful in the pronunciation. Nalikayaha jalam agachati. And Mahilayaha chatram svikaroti. Jananyaha kanganam prapnoti. There also kanganakam and kanganam, they are different. Kanganakam is computer, kanganam is bangle. So be careful.
Sanganakam.
Sorry?
Sanganakam is computer.
Sanganakam. Sorry, Sanganakam. Yes.
What is
Kanganam.
Kankatam?
Sorry?
Kankatam.
Kangatam. Kangatam is
Comb, no?
comb.
Kankatam.
Yes,
Comb, yes,
Kangatam
yes.
is comb. Kanganam is bangle. And
Bangle.
Sanganakam, people always get confused. Even I get confused. Sanganakam and Kanganam and Kanganakam. All those things. There is one word Kanganakam also. So, Mahila Nadyaga Jalam Anayati. So, now Nalika becomes Nalikayaga, Mahila becomes Mahilayaga, Janani Jananyaga, Nadi Nadyaga. This is the Strilinga Ekvachane. Now, we will Deepak Mahodaya Patati Anantaram Dvivakyam Vadati. Vakyadvayam vadatu.
Pushpam. Gosh. Yeah. Pushpam latayaha patati.
Samyak.
Rugnaha Vaidyasha. Okay, I think there's some Vaidyashalayaha is there. Agachati. No. Is that the only one? Yeah.
Yes, that's the only one.
Rugnaha Vaidyashalayaha agachati.
Yes, Samyak. Lakshmi Bhagini vadati va?
महोदय अहं आगच्छामि. अहं काशी is काश्याः. Is it नदी नद्याः? काश्याः आगच्छामि.
Yes.
अहं काश्याः आगच्छामि. भवती हारं स्वीकरोतु भवती जनन्याः हारं स्वीकरोतु
भवती जनन्याः
हारं स्वीकरोतु
हारं स्वीकरोतु गोदा भगिनी काकः शिशु
काकः कूप्याः जलं पिबति
शिशुः जनन्याः दुग्धं पिबति
Yes, शिशुः जनन्याः दुग्धं
दुग्धं
पिबति. Now, in Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, the question is Kasmat. Whereas in Strilinga, it comes Yaga. So the question also suggests Kasyaga. Question also suggests Kasyaga. Then you can say it is Strilinga word only. We have to give in the answer. Otherwise, in Pullinga, Kasmat. In Napumsakalinga also Kasmat. Whereas only in Strilinga, Kasyaga. So when the question is Kasyaga jalam agachati, that yaga suggests Strilinga. You cannot say Pullinga Shabda or Napumsakalinga as an answer. Right? So, Kasyaga jalam agachati, Nalikayaga jalam agachati. Saki Kasyaga chatram svikaroti, Saki Mahilayaga chatram svikaroti. Putri Kasyaga kanganam prapnoti, Putri Jananyaga kanganam prapnoti. Mahila Kasyaga jalam anayati, Mahila Nadyaga jalam anayati. So when Kasmat is Pullinga, Kasyaga is Strilinga. So like that only they change. Now Napumsakalinge ekvachane. Vanaraha vanat agachati. Vanam is Napumsakalinga. Palat bijani prapnumaha. Palam is Napumsakalinga. Balakaha kridanganat griham gachati. Kridanganam is Napumsakalinga. We can use mandiram, pustakam, nagaram, gramam. Can we make some sentences? Can we try? Yes, Deepak Mahodaya.
रामः नगरात् आगच्छति.
Ramaha nagarat agachati. And Lakshmi Mahodaya, Bhavati.
Aham grihat mandiram gachami.
Samyak. Malini Mahodaya.
भवती उद्यानात् गच्छतु.
Bhavati udyanat.
You go from
Udyanam udyanat gachatu.
Udyanat gachatu.
Gachatu. Goda Begini.
Aham udyanat pushpam anayami.
Samyak. So vanam vanat, palam palat, kridanganam kridanganat, udyanam udyanat, gramam gramat, nagaram nagarat. Like that, Napumsakalinge ekvachane idanim vakyani drishyamaha. So Malini Mahodaya vadatu. Malini Mahodaya gatavati va?
नाम अहमस्मि. भक्तः मन्दिरात् हा आपणं गच्छतु.
No,
No,
how
no,
can
not
Read all
Gachatu
the
is
comments,
lot
ma'am.
not
lakara.
गच्छतु. No, true.
Read all the
भक्तः
comments, ma'am.
मन्दिरात् गृहम् आगच्छति.
Bhaktaha mandirat graham agachati. Bhaktaha mandirat pratyagachati. You can use both.
हा प्रत्यागच्छति. Yes.
Yeah.
बालिका विद्या.
Hmm.
हा okay ma'am. I took my chance.
Yeah. Lakshmi vadati va?
आं महोदय बालिका विद्यालयात् पाठं पठति
Vidyalayat patam patati.
सः
Pustakat also was.
बालिका
Pustakat will
पुस्तकात्
be
पाठं
more proper.
पठति
Yeah.
सः विद्यालयात् प्रत्यागच्छति और
Yes.
गृहम् आगच्छति सः
Yeah.
विद्यालयात्
Pratyagachati.
गृहम्
Because
आगच्छति
Vidyalayat pratyagachati. Deepak
प्रत्यागच्छति
Mahod. Yeah. Deepak Mahoday.
छात्रः
Hmm.
लोकयानात् अवतरति.
Very good.
Huh?
Lokayanat avatarati. He is getting down from Lokayanam.
लोकयानम्
वयं रात्रिसमये नक्षत्रात् प्रकाशं प्राप्नुमः.
Perfect.
Nakshatra.
Job.
How they nakshatra? How it will change? Nakshatrat. Nakshatrat prakasham prapnumaga. Kalu?
भवान् ग्रन्थालयात् आपणं गच्छतु.
Okay. Bhavan Granthalayat Apanam Gachatu. So you go from the library to
The shop.
that is Goda Beginyaga Adesha. So Kasmat Napumsakalinge Ekavachane Kasmat for what? Vanaraga Kasmat Agachati Vanaraga Vanat Agachati Kasmat Bijani Prapnumaga Bijam Phalat Bijani Prapnumaga Balakaha Kasmat Griham Gachati Balakaha Kridanganat Griham Gachati.
Ma'am, if you go back, it says for what there. It's not for what, is it? From what, isn't it?
It should be from what?
From what? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For
And the next
what?
one?
Kasya. No, for what it will be? Devaya, Balakaya. That will
From
be.
where or from what?
That is from what?
From
Vanaraga. From where Vanaraga Agachati? Kasmat. It should be from.
Can you, maybe when you should go into slideshow, ma'am, because next one has questions that is already got the answers.
Last week you taught me, I forgot. So I
Hit
am
on the
also.
Slideshow
up there.
button, ma'am.
Okay, slideshow button. Then loading. Yes.
Go enter.
Okay, next. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Again, enter.
Okay. So now
I think each line will come. Each line will come now. Just hit the space bar even. Okay.
Yeah.
So now elephant drinks water from the pond. Vadatu Lakshmi Mahoday.
Gajaha pond Sarovaram. Gajaha
Sarovar is waterfall
river,
or flowing.
Oh, water.
It says
Tadagam.
pond. Pond is
Tadagam.
Tadagam. Okay. Gajaha Tadagat Jalam Pibati.
Gajaha Tadagat Jalam Pibati. Gajaha Tadagat jalam pibati.
Pibati.
Samyak. Now, Malini Magodaya vadatu, monkey
Monkey
jumps
jumps
from.
from the tree.
Hmm.
Vanaraha jumps kurdati from the tree vrikshat. Vanaraha vrikshat kurdati.
Vanaraga vrikshat kurdati.
Kurdati.
Samyak. You are all brilliant students.
My God.
Deepak Magodaya.
Sumitra obtains boon from Dasharatha. Sumitra Dasharathat varam prapnoti.
Sumitra Dasharathat varam prapnoti. Samyak. Bagini, go. Bagini.
Abhinandana returns from enemy country.
You remember who is this Abhinandana?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Abhinandana.
One army person
fellow.
who was caught and kept in the Pakistan prison.
Abhinandana enemy is Shatru.
Ari.
Ari. Shatru also. Okay.
Later try. Abhinandana.
Shatru deshat agachati.
Pratyagachati. Returns. Agachati is comes. Returns is pratyagachati. Kalu, Goda Bagini. Good try. Good try. Abhinandanaga Shatru Deshat Pratyagachati. Samyak. Deepak Mahodaya.
The bus comes from Ayodhya. Lokayanam Ayodhyat agachati.
Lokayanam Ayodhyat
agachati. Ayodhyayaha agachati. Cleaning up, I think.
Yes. Ayodhyayaga Lokayanam agachati. Lokayanam Ayodhyayaga agachati. Samyak. Lakshmi Mahodaya.
Next one, ma'am.
Space.
Yeah.
He eats food from the plate. Saha plate. Chashakam is cup. Thalika. Saha.
We should not forget
Thalikayaha.
those things what we learned. Stalika, Chashakaha, Chamasaha, Patitavantaka Kalu. One way we are learning advanced grammar and the other way we are forgetting the basics. Please keep in touch. Yes.
Saha Thalikayaha food. Bhojanam.
Aharam.
Aharam khadati.
Saha
Thalikayaha
Annam
khadati.
Annam khadati. Bhojanam khadati. Malini Mahodaya.
I accept gift from female friend. Aham accept swikarotu gift. Gift is what is gift? Gift, ma'am.
Upaharam.
Upaharam from female friend.
Sakyaya.
Sakyayaha. Okay. Aham sakyayaha upaharam swikaromi.
Mitrayaha.
Aham sakyaha.
Sakyayaha. Okay.
Sakyaha.
So if it is Sakhi.
Sakyaha. Saki
Aham
becomes
Sakyaha.
one ya and
Sakyaha.
Visarga.
Like
Sakyaha.
Nadi, Nadyaha.
Yeah. Aham
Another word
Sakya.
for female friend, I was thinking, ma'am. I was thinking. I couldn't remember. There was another word for female friend.
Bhaginya.
Bhagini
Bhagini
is
is
sister, no?
Sister.
Sahodari. Yeah.
Sister.
Saki
Sahodari.
Sakyaha. Bahini Bahinyaha.
Maitrini. Maitrini. Maitrini is Marathi.
Maitri.
Maitrini.
Mitra. No, Mitra is friend in
Mitra is friend.
Pullinga.
Mitra is friend.
Pullinga.
I think it's Mitram, isn't it?
Mitram.
Napumsakalingam, I think.
Yeah, Mitram is
Mitram Pullinga.
Napumsakalinga. Mitram is
Okay.
friend.
Is Maitrini Sanskrit word or it's only Marathi?
Maitri. I don't know.
I think
Maitri, I know there is a word. There is some
But
song
that's the
also.
name of
Maitri,
a.
but the-
Maitri.
Maitri is
Maitri is
friendship.
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 Yeah, in Marathi, they tell Maitrini as female friend.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, Maitri is a name for female, for girls. Maitri is that sannyasini. They mean.
Godavarni
No,
is
no,
Marathi.
no, no.
Maitreyi, that is
Goda-
Maitreyi, ma'am.
Maitreyi is sannyasini.
Yeah.
No, Rishini.
Godavarni,
But
she's talking about Marathi, so she knows. Malini Bhagni knows.
no, I don't know Marathi. But
I am
I
talking
thought,
about Kannada.
I don't know Marathi totally. Okay.
no, we keep hearing.
Yeah. Rama accepts
Rama
fruits.
From Shabari.
Shabaryaha
Hmm.
Rama Shabaryaha Phalani Swikaroti.
Samyak. Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. Ramaha Sabriyaha Palani Swikaroti.
Swikaroti. Hmm.
The plant grows from the seed. Deepak Mahoday.
Seed is Bijam. Right. Bijat, plant is Sasyam. Bijat, Sasyam, Vardati.
Vardati.
Vardate.
Vardati.
Vardate.
Yeah.
Bija is seed is
Udbhavati.
Bija.
Udbhavati also you can say. Yeah. Vardate is grows.
Udbhavati, correct.
Yeah.
He's
Grows
coming out.
Udbhavati.
Is coming out.
Udbhavati emerges. It
Emerging.
comes. Yeah. So, Lakshmi, do the abhyasa
from the book. Oh, pustakat abhyasam karotu.
Pustakat Tvam, it is
There is
not
no
given.
Not
You
given.
do, it is not
Pustakat
given, but it
abhyasam
is
karotu.
adhyahara. Understood. Do the abhyasa from the book. Pustakat abhyasam karotu.
Karotu.
Patient goes home from the hospital. Yes, next. Malini Mahoday.
Patient Rugnaha goes Gachatu from a home Graham, from the hospital Vaidyalayat.
Chikitsalayat.
Vaidyalayat is
Vaidyalayah, Vaidyalayam.
Vaidyalayah,
But
Strilinga.
why don't you say Chikitsalaya?
Chikitsalayat.
Chikitsalaya again, is it not Strilinga?
Chikitsalayam, that is Chikitsalayam.
Chikitsalayam is
Napumsakalinga.
hospital.
Oh,
That is the best word.
Okay. Rugnaha Chikitsalayat Graham Gachatu. Gachati.
Gachati.
Very nice.
Rugnaga Chikitsalayat Griham Gachati.
Okay, ma'am, it says Rugna.
Sorry?
Rugna.
Rugna.
It says Rugna. Is it so? Rugnaha is also there, is it?
Rugnaga.
Yeah,
Rugnaga.
Rugna also, you can say Rugna also.
Yeah,
Rugna
Rugna
also.
is.
Okay.
Yeah,
In this context, it doesn't change anything.
Yeah.
Nice.
Rugna is feminine, no?
Feminine, yes.
Yeah, but it doesn't say it's feminine patient.
Yeah.
But so
Correct, correct.
So this last sentence, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Pradhanamantri,
We can see.
Prime
We
Minister
can.
gets down from the plane.
Pradhanamantri
Samskrita Varta.
Vimanayanat
Vimanayana.
yes, down.
Avatarati.
Uttarat.
Avatarati.
Uttarat. Uttarati.
Avatarati.
Avatarati.
Avatarati. She tries her
Very
trial.
good,
is-
Goda Bhagini.
Yeah,
Hindi got mixed.
it's a good try, you know.
What was the, ma'am? Is it Vimanam? No, a plane is Vimanam. No, Vimanayanam.
Vimanam.
Vimanayana.
Vimanat avatarati
Vimanat.
arohati.
Avatarati.
Arohati is climbing. Avatarati is
Avatarati is.
getting down. Arohati.
Arohanam, Avarohanam, like your Sangeetam.
Yeah.
This
Goes
is
up and
Samskrita
down.
Varta in the morning.
Shruyanta.
Prime Minister.
So that's it.
We hit the space bar one more time. We'll see the
I'll have to
Pradhana
say.
Mantri Vimanat Avatarati. Okay.
Pradhana Mantri Vimanat Avatarati.
Avatarati. Okay.
Now, Subhashitam.
Oh.
In this context, Nasti Ganga Samam Tirtam, Nasti Matru Samo Guruhu, Nasti Vishnu Samo Devo, Nasti Ramayanat Param, Nasti Ganga Samam Tirtam, Nasti Matru Samo Guruhu, Nasti Vishnu Samo Devo, Nasti Ramayanat Param. Now somebody will tell me the meaning. Who
No
will tell?
Tirtha. No Tirtha is better than Ganga.
Hmm.
No Guru is better than Mother.
Hmm.
No God is better than Vishnu.
Hmm.
Nasti Vishnu Samo Devo.
Hmm.
Not better, equal to Vishnu.
Hmm.
Nasti Ramayanat Param. No Grantha is equivalent to
Equivalent to now.
Ramayana.
Or
Ramayana.
No
higher.
Grantha is Param,
Higher
Shreshtaha,
than. Shrestha,
higher than Ramayana.
Higher than
Ramayana.
Ramayanat Param. Param means higher, Shreshtaha. So Ramayanat Param Naasti Grantaha and Vishnu Samaha, Vishnu Sama Devo Nasti. And
No God is equal to Vishnu.
yeah, Matru Samo Guruhu Nasti, Tirtham Samam,
Ganga.
Ganga Tirtham Samam Nasti. Ganga Tirtham Samam, Anya Tirtham Nasti. This is, now here you will identify which are the Panchami Vibhakti.
Ramayanat.
Ramayanat.
Ramayana.
So this is the easy and very good Subhashitam. Now see what we have, this Kakaras. Kakaras Prashana question words. They are Ka, Ka, Kim. Kaha, Ka, Kim.
Nothing.
And Va, tag question.
Ma'am, you want to
Kim.
go into slideshow again? It might be easy to see the screen a little bit.
Okay.
It'll be big.
Okay. So,
Yes, loading. Yeah.
Kaha Ka Kim, that is the Samadhanam means answers for this Prashna words. Kaha Ka Kim, Kaha Saha, Kaha Saha, Kaha Yeshaha, and Ka Sa Yesha, and Kim Tat Etat. That is how we connect. And Va is Amna. Adya Shanivasaraha Va Na
Adya Bhanuvasara.
Bhanuvasaraha. And
Adya
Amna.
Shanivasaraha. अद्य मम राष्ट्रे शनिवासरः.
लक्ष्मी भगिन्याः अद्य शनिवासरः. अन्ये सर्वे
रात्रिः
भानुवासरः.
रात्रिः.
किम इस बालकं बालिकां पुस्तकम इत्यादि. किम and kati we know pancha ashta ekadasha, that is kati means counting, and kada when adya swaha pratakale, kutra we know kutra is atra tatra and anyatra sarvatra. And kutra question words rame, grame, sitayam, nadyam, all those. And kasya kasyaha. Kasya is pullinga, kasyaha is strilinga. Balakasya balikayaha nadyaha pustakasya idyadi. That is 6th vibhakti. Now kena kaya balikena balikaya nadya pustakena tritiya vibhakti. Sorry, I think one more word I am not able to see. The last one, can you read?
कस्मै कस्यै केभ्यः काभ्यः
Yeah.
रामाय रामेभ्यः बालिकायै बालिकाभ्यः नद्यै नदीभ्यः पुस्तकाय पुस्तकेभ्यः.
So that is kasmai,
That's
kasma,
Chaturthi, no? Kasmat. Okay.
kasmai.
Kasmat kasyaah Ramat Sitayaah pustakat.
That is what we studied this week. Now, Mishra Vishayaga, all mixed. You will have Kichadi, you will have to sort out. So, Nama Pada Vishaya Sangraha. See, when we say Kaha Ke, that is called Pratama Vibhakti, that is indicates Karta. Kaha Gachati, Ramaha Gachati. Ka Vadati, Malini Bagini Vadati. Ka Gachati, these are all Kaha Ka, Karta, that indicates Karta. K is plural form of Ekavachanam. Ramaha, Ramaha. And second is Karma. Ramam, Raman, Ramam. Kam dadati, kam pashyati, aham Ramam pashyami. Kam namami, aham Ramam namami. Aham Devam namami. Devam Ramam, it is karma padam. And then Kena kaihi. Kena kaihi. Kena upakaranam. Pustakena patami. Chashakena jalam pibami. Astena kadami. Chakshuvena pashyami. Nasikaya kim karomi?
Agrani.
Nasikaya jigrami.
Jignami. Jigrami. Jigrami. So,
Agra no ma'am. Jigrami.
Jigrami.
Also is in
Jigrami. So, Kena Kaiheyi Upakaranam, the instrument. Ramena. Ramena Saha Sita Vanam Gachati. Astena Kadami. Ramaihi Bahuvachane. Then Kasmai Kebhyaha. Kasmai Dadami. Aham Bhikshukaya Danam Dadami. Aham Bhikshukaya Danam Dadami. Aham Balakaya Pustakam Dadami. Aham Kasmai Ramaya Ramebhyaha that is kasmai, and kasmat, that is what we saw, ramat, vrikshat, grihat, all those things. Kasmat, from where? From where? So kasmai is to whom, and kena is by what, and kasmat is from where? Kasmat. Grihat, from where? Gramat, from where? Nagarat, and Vimanat, Lokayanat, from where he got down. All those. Kasya Kesham, Sambandha, Kasya. Kasya means whom? Whose? Kasya patni Sita? Ramasya patni hi Sita. Ramasya patni Sita. Kesham Bahuvachanam. Kasya putraha Ramaha? Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha. And Kutra. Kutra is Sthalam. Rame, Grame, Grihe, Vane. It is Sthalam. Vimane.
From where?
From where? That is Sthalam. This much you are all spashtam? Kinchit
Mahoday.
prashnani santi va? Kinchit kleshaga asti va?
Asked.
Now they have given to your understanding from so many bhashaya, Angila bhashaya. See, this will be maybe useful for you in Angila bhasha because they don't learn from the other Marathi, Kannada and all those things. Just learn from English and Sanskritam. Now, kaha ke karta Ramaha and Ramaha many, whom karma, Ramam to Rama, yes object. And kena kaiheyi upakaranam, kasmai danam, and kasmat Ramat, kasya kesham, and whose where. So this, please, this table, samyak atra stapayatu. Samyak. This is the Prashna words and what are the Samadhanam for this thing. All these other languages they are given. You go through it for your understanding. And this Strilinga Vishya Sangraha, Ka, Kaha, Taha. So Ka means Karta, Sita. Kaga Sitaha, Karma Sitam, and Kaya Kabihi Upakaranam Sitaya Sitabhya. Kasye Kabhyaha Danam. You want to read? Yes, this I think you should read. Lakshmi Begini Patativa.
आं महोदय आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग विषयसङ्ग्रहः प्रश्नः प्रयोगम् एकवचन बहुवचन का काः कर्ता सीता सीताः कर्म सीतां सीताः कया काभिः उपकरणं सीतया सीताभिः कस्यै काभ्यः दानं सीतायै सीताभ्यः कस्याः सीतायाः. So बहुवचनम् अहं न पठामि. कस्याः कासां सम्बन्धं सीतायाः सीतानाम्.
Then Kutra? Kutra na drishyate va?
न दृश्यते. आम्
दृश्यते.
Kutra sthalam drishyate, bhavati na drishtum chaknoti va?
न शक्नोमि. अहं द्रष्टुं न शक्नोमि.
Okay, I'll go back. Now, Kutra sthalam sit. Idanim drishta.
Okay. कुत्र इदानीं द्रष्टुमः. कुत्र स्थलं सीतायां सीतासु.
Sitasu. So, asu, Strilinga, asu. So this table also you should memorize. And here ikaranta strilinga. Deepak Mahodaya patati va?
महोदय ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग विषय संग्रहः का काः कर्ता नदी नद्यः कर्म नदीं नदीः कया काभिः उपकरणं नद्या नदीभिः कस्यै काभ्यः दानं नद्यै नदी नदीभ्यः कस्याः नद्याः कस्याः कासां सम्बन्धं नद्याः नदीनां कुत्र स्थलं नद्यां नदीषु.
So this is clear. I think you should learn this.
Why kasyaha is separately given?
Sorry.
Kasyaha above kasyaha.
Bahuvachanam we'll learn next week, ma'am. So that's why I put only
Yeah,
Ekavachanam.
Bahuvachanam we have not learned. Kasyava. That is why. We are learning so far Ekavachanameva Patitavantaga Kalu. Everything, Bahuvachanam we have not, Kasmat also Bahuvachanam we have not done. So
But
now,
this week, yeah, they have given in the beginning slides. Kasmat
Yeah.
Vele. Kasyaha
Next.
they will give probably next week.
yeah, there will be next class we will be having.
Yeah.
So this Malini Bhagodaya Patativa. Kim.
अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग विषयसङ्ग्रहः प्रश्नः प्रयोगम् एकवचनं बहुवचनं किं कानि कर्ता फलं फलानि कर्म फलं फलानि केन कैः उपकरणं फलेन फलैः कस्मै केभ्यः दानं फलाय फलेभ्यः कस्मात् फलात् कस्य केषां सम्बन्धं फलस्य फलानां कुत्र स्थलं फले फलेषु. One thing, ma'am. Do we have to pronounce it as phala or phala?
No fa.
Phala.
Phalani.
Phala.
Phalani.
Yes.
Okay.
Pa only, not fa.
No,
Fa.
Fa is not there in
Whole
first.
Pa.
lot
Phale. Phale.
I did mistake. Phale, fa is pronounced. It is phalam.
Second
Phalam.
pa.
Phalam.
Phalam. Okay.
Pa only.
Phalam.
Don't say pronounce F sound. Phalam.
Okay. Phalam.
Generally
Phalani.
people pronounce with F sound. It's
I
wrong.
did that wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That's why I felt.
Phalam.
Phalam.
Right?
Phalani.
Yeah. So this table also please memorize. That is only way you can, and we can use in now Kriya Padam. We have seen so far Nama Padam, and now we are going to see Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam is verb. Pat is the dhatu, and it gets the ti pratyaya, and it is called ting pratyaya. Pat dhatu, after getting ti pratyaya, it becomes patati. And patati ekavachanam, patanti bahuvachanam, patami patamaha. Quickly we will make one sentence is because it is Kriya Padam. It's a long time since we read, though we have advanced in other forms. We can make simple sentences quickly.
बालकः पाठं पठति बालकाः पाठं पठन्ति पाठानि
Balaka
पठन्ति
patani patanti. Yes. Uttama-purushe vadatu patami patamaha.
अहं पुस्तकं पठामि वयं पुस्तकानि पठामः
Patamaha. So this is Kriya Padam Ekavachane Bahuvachane. Now Bhavishyat Kale. Deepak Mahodaya vadati bhavishyat kale patatu anantaram vakyani vadatu.
Patishyati, patishyanti, patishyami, patishyamaha. Ramaha Ramaha pustakam patishyati. Rama will read book. Vayam Chatraha Shastram patishyanti. Chatras, students will read Shastram.
Patishyami.
Patishyami. Aham Sanskritam. Sanskritam I am already reading. So aham Anya Bhashayam patishyami. Anya Bhasham patishyami.
Anya Bhasham patishyami. Patishyamaha.
Vayam
Which bhasham patishyamaha?
Same object, Anya Bhasham patishyamaha. Vayam Hindi Bhasham patishyamaha.
Kimartam vayam sarve militva Bhagavad Gitam patishyamaha.
Oh.
Bhagavad Gitam patishyamaha.
Kim patishyamaha Goda Begini?
Prakrita Bhasha.
Yes.
Prakrita Bhasha. Regional
Vayam
language.
Shastram patishyamaha.
Sarve militva Shastram patishyamaha Bhagavad Gitam patishyamaha.
Patishyamaha va?
Patishyamaha Nishchayena.
Nishchayena patishyamaha.
Bhavanta sarve vadanto agam siddha bhavami. Sarvada.
Oh, thank you.
Aham siddha asmi.
Rukmini Mahodaya, bhavati shlokan pathayati va?
Am. Aham
Oh.
prati sanivasare ashtavadane Bhagavad Gitayaga Parayanam Vargam Chalaya.
Oh. Ashtavadane, pratah ashtavadane.
Sayangale ashtavadane.
Sayankale ashtavadane. Oh.
Same link, ma'am. Is it same link?
No. That is a private link. Kopi kapi ichati chet suchayatu aham yojayami.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Kriya Padani, this is Lot Lakara Agnya Prarthana. Malini Mahodaya vadatu.
Lot lakara agnya prarthana bhavan bhavati ekavachana patatu bahuvachana patantu. Bhavan pustakam patatu bhavati pustakani patantu.
Bhavati pustakani bhavatyaga bhavati ekavachanam. But she is reading. She is.
Pustaka patatu.
You have used pustakani. It's okay. Pustakani is bahuvachanam. Now, this time we have rushed. We have come to the
We
end
did,
of
Rashna.
that.
We did very well. This is
Yeah.
very good. I think
So,
portion was.
we can, if you have any doubts, you can ask, or we can try to make some more sentences. Bhavan Bhavati, three sentences. Swasya Vishayaha, you about yourself. Okay, what we have learned. Some new 3 sentences. Vadatu. We will start with Deepak Mahodayayaga Arambam Kurma. Deepak Mahodaya.
3 sentences.
Bhavan vadatu. Panchavakyani vadatu. Trini vakyani vadatu. Swasya Vishayani. Bhavan. Don't tell us what we know. Tell us, भवान् न वदतु अहं संस्कृतं पठामि, अहं संस्कृतवर्गे अस्मि, तादृशवाक्यं न.
मम कुमारस्य मम कुमारः university, what do you say, ma'am? महाविद्यालयं महाविद्यालयं गच्छति.
सः अत्र किं करोति, किं पठति?
सः अंतरराष्ट्रीय relations, what do you say, ma'am? Antarashtra, international relations.
संबंधः अंतरराष्ट्रीय
international relations.
Okay.
अंतरराष्ट्रीय
आंग्लं प्रयोगं करोतु.
International relations, international studies पठति.
Okay. अंतरराष्ट्रीय पठनम और अंतरराष्ट्रीय relations, you know, अंतरराष्ट्रीय संपर्क संबंध. Okay. Good प्रयत्नम. अन्य किमपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा महोदय?
अहं बेंगलुरु नगरे वसामि.
सम्यक्.
अहं भूविज्ञानी अस्मि.
किं कुत्र अस्ति?
भूविज्ञानी.
Oh, earth scientist.
Bhuvigyan is geography or what is this?
Geology.
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 Yeah. Geologist.
अनन्तरं भगिनी.
अहम् Indian Institute of Science.
ISC. Oh my God.
Indian Institute of Science. Science. Mama doctorate. Prapnomi. Doctorate.
प्राप्नुवति वा प्राप्नोति वा?
प्राप्नुवति.
इदानीं पठति वा?
इदानीं रिटैर्.
उद्योगनिवृत्ता अस्ति वा?
अहं जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया
मध्ये कार्यं कृतवती.
कृतवती.
करोति वा इदानीं?
न अहं
उद्योगनिवृत्ता अस्मि.
Very learned person in our group.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Wow. IISc PhD.
IISc is wonderful.
सम्यक्. उत्तमम्.
मम पतिः ISRO.
ISRO.
बाह्याकाश केंद्र
मध्ये अस्ति वा?
मध्ये कार्यं
कृतवान् वा?
कृतवान्.
अस्तु. इदानीम् उद्योगनिवृत्तः अस्ति.
इदानीम् उद्योगनिवृत्तः अस्ति. किन्तु कन्सल्टेंट अस्ति.
इदानीम् अपि
सः संस्कृतं अपि पठति.
सम्यक्. सम्यक् कुत्र पठति सः भवत्याः सह वा
what is that? संस्कृतभारती
संस्कृतभारती मध्ये अस्तु
पठति
संस्कृतभारती आन्लैन् पठति वा
आन्लैन् पठति
प्रवेश परिचय
शिक्षास्तरे पठति
अस्तु अस्तु सो भवत्याः गृहे संस्कृत विद्वान् विदुषी खलु भवती संस्कृत विदुषी सः भवत्याः पतिः संस्कृत विद्वान् खलु परिवारेण कुटुम्बसह संस्कृतं पठति सम्यक् सम्यक् सो भवती पत्युः सह संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं करोतु
प्रयत्नं कुर्मः
You can fight.
Is
You
it
can fight also in Sanskritam, Goda Bhagini. You can fight also in Sanskritam. Bhavan kim vadati? Bhavan na drishyati va? Hello.
Aham dandam dandena ताडयामि
वयं भारती नार्याः खलु वयं दण्डं न प्रयोगं
अमेरिकादेशे अस्मि
दण्डः न प्रयोगं कुर्मः
मम गृहे
वेल्लेन अहं वेल्लेन ताडयामि
वदतु गोदा भगिनी
मम पुत्री डल्लास् नगरे वसति
कति पुत्रः पुत्र्याः सन्ति
एकेन पुत्री
एकमेव पुत्री एका एव पुत्री
पुत्री विवाहवती वा
पौत्र मम पौत्र 7
वर्ष आयुः
अस्ति
सम्यक् सम्यक् भगिनी इदानीं का वदति कः वदति का वदति दीपक महोदय उक्तवान्
how to say I have 2 children
मम द्वौ बालकौ
only children I mean how to say
if you want to separate द्वौ पुत्र्याः वा द्वौ पुत्रौ वा
एक पुत्रः एक पुत्रीः
okay
एक पुत्रः
sorry
for children
if you have two putrau
common word
common I have 2 children
balakau generally indicates vidyalaye balakaga santi there balakaga indicates both boys and girls chatraga santi where there it is common now right so
when you tell these are my children mama
balakaga mama putraga mama santanaga
mama santana
we can say putri putriyaga kim kurvanti te malini mahode putri kim karoti
mama putrah agrajah he saha doctor वैद्यः अस्ति मम पुत्रीः अद्य NIT मध्ये computer science what is it engineering is what ma'am
अध्ययनं करोति
NIT मध्ये अध्ययनं करोति And I am a retired college lecturer. Aham Nivrita matlab it's
Udyoga Nivritta.
it's what to say, voluntary, like in between only. It is so. I am api what is it?
Agamapi.
Aham api teacher.
Adhyapika Sikshit
Adhyapika Asit.
Asmi.
Asit.
I was.
I was.
Asit. That's it. And हम मडगांव नगरे वसामि. Nice life.
मडगांव नगरे पुणे में?
ना गोवा राज्ये मडगांव नगरे. गोवा राज्ये मडगांव नगरे वसामि.
Samyak.
That's it.
Samyak. Uttamam. Idanim Lakshmi Bhagini vadati.
तव पुत्रः कः वैद्यः अस्ति?
Mama putraha adya, he is in the internship.
Internship.
Here
Putra
only in the
karoti?
government
Putra?
Goa Medical College.
Putra?
Government Goa Medical College मध्ये.
Astu.
Putri.
किं कक्षायां पठितवती?
पुत्री NIT मध्ये first year engineering.
भवती किं कक्षां पठितवती?
पाठितवती. दीपक महोदय भवती
अहं होम साइंस विषये ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट मध्ये पाठितवती. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट एंड न्यूट्रिशन मध्ये पाठितवती.
अतः मालिनी महोदय गृहशास्त्रं सम्यक् जानाति.
गृहशास्त्रं न्यूट्रिशन I don't know.
आरोग्याय किमपि क्लेशः भवति चेत् भवन्तः सर्वे मालिनी महोदयाः
consultation करोमि.
मालिनी महोदय किं न जानाति, मालिनी महोदयस्य पुत्रः वैद्यः अस्ति.
गृहशास्त्रं जानाति वा?
गृहशास्त्रं जानाति,
सम्यक् जानाति.
ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट जानाति, ये वैद्यवृत्ति न जानामि.
अहं मालिनी महोदय दृष्ट्वा चिन्तयति भवत्याः सन्तानं बहु अल्पवर्षम् अस्ति इति. मम द्वे सन्तानम् अस्ति, मालिनी भगिनी उक्तवती. अहं चिन्तयामि 7 वर्षे अस्ति. तो 10 वर्षे अस्ति.
मालिनी महोदययाः सौन्दर्यं मालिनी महोदययाः सौन्दर्यं दृष्ट्वा लक्ष्मी भगिनी चिन्तयति भवती अत्र आयुः न भविष्यति इति सा चिन्तयति. भवत्याः पुत्रपुत्र्याः 10 वर्षेमेव सन्ति इति सा चिन्तयति.
40 आगच्छति चेत् अहं 40 crossed 51.
मालिनी महोदय तव पतिः
I missed. मम पतिः this engineer, civil engineer अस्ति, and he is professor in Goa Engineering College, Government Engineering College.
Why did you take voluntary retirement?
It's not voluntary retirement exactly. I just left when it's like priorities.
Okay.
Enough.
सम्यक्.
Elders are there at home, so priorities.
गृहिण्याः भागं सम्यक् Nirval.
Yeah, I could do any
Nirval.
one, ma'am. I am not a multitasking fellow. My
Yeah, yeah.
nature is one,
Enough.
anyone.
Enough. Kalu. Bhavati idanim samskritam patatu, shastram patatu.
These, yes, yes.
Sandoshena jivanam karotu.
That is there. Fulfillment is there.
Yeah.
बहु सम्यक्.
Samyak.
Samyak.
Aham mahati sandoshaha anubhavami. Mama kakshayaga sarve panditaga vidwan vidushiyaga santi iti.
Vayam
Garvam
Lakshmi Mahodayasya
Anubhavam.
Anubhavam sa vadati. Idanim
Ha.
vadati.
Prapnu.
Vadatu mahodaya.
Aham vadami. Aham api Amazon कार्यालये कार्यं करोमि गत 2 वर्षे अहं कार्यं करोमि before that how do you say before that
2 varsha purvam.
2 वर्ष
वर्ष
पूर्वं 12 वर्षपर्यन्तम् अहं मम पत्याः सह पत्योः सह international is again
Antarashtriya.
देशायां गच्छामि गतवती thank you गतवती अहं 12 वर्षपर्यन्तम् इंडिया देशे सिंगापुर देशे साउथ कोरिया देशे चाइना देशे वसामि I stayed.
भगवत्याः पतिः किं कृतवान्?
How do I say he in a respectful way? Bhavantah.
Saha eva vadatu. Saha indicates yeah.
Saha General Motors company कार्यालये strategy विभागे कार्यं कृतवन्तः अद्य इदानीं another I'm getting Hindi words suddenly दूसरे इदानीं अन्य company
अन्य कार्यालये अस्ति वा?
अन्य कार्यालये ओवन्स् कार्निंग कार्यालये कार्यं करोति करिष्यति करोति खलु इदानीं करोति अन्य कार्यालये अहमपि फोर्ड कार्यालये कार्यं कृतवती तत्र एंजिन् विभागे कार्यान engine building I forgot how to say building निर्माणं कृतवती buying engines and installing the equipment for the instrument all the engines.
Management.
No manufacturing, no all engineering associated with the
engine
building of the machines.
Bhavati mechanical engineer अस्ति वा?
न भगिनी अहम् electrical engineering पठितवती अमेरिका देशे masters also forgot the word masters
कृतवती वा?
अपि च masters अपि च पठितवती electrical engineering
Nice to see all learneds here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
भवत्याः पुत्रपुत्र्याः
मम द्वे पुत्रौ सन्ति.
द्वौ पुत्रौ.
द्वौ पुत्रौ सन्ति. actually एकः 27 द्वाविंशतिः संवत्सराणि सन्ति.
अस्तु.
वर्षे सन्ति. मम अग्रजः पुत्रः एल्डर् सन्
Elders- ज्येष्ठः कनिष्ठः
ज्येष्ठपुत्रः मम गृहे अस्ति. इदानीं मम गृहे अस्ति. मास्टर्स् कृत्वा अग्रे किं कुर्मः इति सोचयति. चिन्तयति. अहम् अवदत् त्वं मम गृहे आगत्य वसतु. अहम् अपि बहु हैप्पी सन्तोषवती
सन्तोषः अनुभवामि. भवान् मम सह गृहे वसतु इति.
कुत्रापि न गच्छतु. अपि अहं मम गृहम् अस्ति. वयं my husband and I वयं 3 years 3 वर्षतः पूर्वम् अमेरिका देशे अगच्छत्. मम पुत्रः
कुत्र
अमेरिका देशे ओहायो राष्ट्रे. मम प्रथमपुत्रः ज्येष्ठपुत्रः 7 वर्षतः alone. What do I say alone? एकमेव अमेरिका देशे अस्ति. तत्र अपि वयं अत्र आगच्छत्. Now I told him to come and stay with me. Now I told a lot. I tried. Mama, second son.
इदानीं मम गृहे
वसति. मम भ्रातरस्य पुत्रः अपि मम गृहे अपि अस्ति. सः मास्टर्